So in the last videos, we normally change the background because we're making like an individual product, whereas this time we're going to keep not only the background, but also going to keep the no-faced guy because he's going to give us a good idea of whether we've got our scale right. So scale is all about making sure we've got things the right size and they're in kind of they fit. And what we want to do is make sure that when we measured our room that we have got the right numbers. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is draw a very simple kind of square, which is going to be the ground, like the floor for our room. I'm going to show you a simple square. If you've got an interesting shaped room with like bits cut out or like an L shape, then we'll show you how to do that in the next video. So just bear with me. So my office is pretty much a rectangle. So I can go over and use the rectangle tool over here. And like we always do in SketchUp, I'll try and start at the origin, and I'm going to click once with the left mouse button and then let go. So I've just clicked once. So now if you can see, I'm like not holding the button down and I can create a shape. And as I do so, in the box down here in the bottom right hand corner, those numbers are changing. Now, if you look at my scribbles that I'd done when I measured my office, everything was in centimeters because that's what my tape measure works in. Now, we need to convert centimeters to millimeters because the measurements that we've put in down here are in millimeters. So a little bit tricky, but basically mine measured at 380 centimeters and then the other direction it was exactly 440 centimeters. So I need to just put an extra 0 at the end of those. So I'm going to type in 380 and add an extra 0. That makes it into millimeters. There's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. Do my comma, and then my other distance was 440, so 440 centimeters. If I put a 0 on the end of that and click enter, that is my office space. So can you see, if I change the angle a little bit, that gives us the ground floor, the footprint of what we're designing, and that is all you need to do.